Alright, what's up everybody? Today we got the cheapest quick release on Amazon. And so there's that. Oh, sorry the car is such a mess right now. And then we got the quick release right here. So this whole kit was only $26 shipped. So there's the quick release. So it's really light, cheap plastic, probably low quality metal. And the hub is absolute garbage. Plastic, the aluminum or whatever this kind of metal is cast, so this will break really fast. First thing you want to do is make sure you have your battery unhooked, and we already did that. And then there's two little star bit bolts in here. Take both those loose. Get those two bolts out, and then there's a plug there. And it should just come out of there. Alright, so next thing you're going to do is take that nut off. Alright, now you don't want to take it all the way off, because when you pull the steering wheel, that'll keep you from smacking yourself in the face. Oh, this one must have been off before because that was really loose. The cruise control switches screw up here, down here. Take those two screws out. That'll slide off there, unplug from there. And then this piece, pull a little tab up in the back, slide it off like that. Disconnect this one from there. So for this part, there's 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. Once those are off, that piece just comes off. And it runs under here, back down in there, and actually plugs in underneath the dash. So I'm not going to fool with that right now, but we will we'll get rid of it later. Now there's these 2 grooves right here that line up with that. Now that the hub's on, you can go ahead and take the quick release and mount it to the steering wheel. In this case, I'm using an old Momo V35. And then you want to take the quick release off, and then you'll bolt that to the hub. While we got this apart, I guess we'll take a closer look at it. So on the outside, when you first unbox it, doesn't look too bad. Then you get inside and look at all that cast material with plastic holding it all together. So this, I don't see this holding up very well. If you are interested in getting one, there is a link in the description. I've also linked the RG quick release. I'll be getting one of those soon, and then so we can do kind of like a side-by-side comparison. Alright, now you can put your wheel on. This hub is the like twist type. But yeah, overall it's $26 shipped to your door. So what more could you expect? It's pretty bad. It's all cast aluminum, maybe. Well, here's the final result. Link to this is in the description, and also there's a link to a quality quick release made by NRG. This won't be staying on the car, more than likely. So it's in all honesty, it's pretty bad, and I don't know if I would trust it. But if you want to pick it up, it's only 26 bucks shipped to your door. So thanks for watching. You all have a good one.